Friday rocks!
Hey there! Welcome to Vloganimals. I'm Maria, and as our first video, I have a guest here. Basically, the idea of Vloganimals is that my friend Christy and I are just going to be basically talking about stuff and responding to each other within videos and, like, you know, posting it back and forth. So that'll be very interesting. Oh! I'd like to introduce the first mini segment of Vloganimals. Dance party!
You have no head.
I have no head.
Vlogchicken.
Man, my party socks are rocking off. Anyway, so I don't really have any topics for me to talk about right now, but I also wanted to bring up that I noticed that some of our friends have webcams as well, and what would be really cool is if we got video responses to some of our vlogs. Hint, hint. So, you know, if you're bored and you have a webcam and you're a friend, respond or something. That is incredibly loud. Christy, I'd like to know if you have any ideas for the future of Vloganimals. By the way, Christy, she's the ultimate YouTuber, and if you haven't heard of her yet, go to her YouTube channel, which is www.youtube.com/grizzlypop. She has really cool videos, so go check her out. Alright, so you guys have a good night. That's my vlog. Love, Vlogchicken.